From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of cluttered closets and disorganized accessories? The Raleigh Hanger Premium Closet Organizer is here to change that. This innovative product is designed to maximize closet space instantly, and its circular vertical storage helps free up closet room by organizing accessories downward instead of spreading them across drawers, shelves, or multiple hangers. With its premium rotating design, you can view, reach, and select belts, ties, hats, scarves, bags, and more from any angle, thanks to the 360-degree swivel hook. The smooth sound of the rotating hook is a testament to its high-quality construction. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its ease of use and effectiveness. The easy open-close latch is a game-changer, allowing you to add or remove items without taking everything off, making daily organization faster and more convenient. The secure black latch has a solid feel to it, and the high-grade aluminum alloy and polished chrome finish give the product a strong, modern look that feels more elevated than plastic alternatives. The versatile design fits standard closet rods, hooks, racks, doors, laundry rooms, dorms, RVs, boats, hotels, and retail displays, making it perfect for a variety of settings. The Raleigh Hanger Premium Closet Organizer is perfect for anyone looking to declutter their closet and keep their accessories organized. It's great for daily use, and its extra storage capacity can hold up to 15 pounds, making it ideal for storing heavy items like bags and hats. Whether you're a busy professional or a student, this product is sure to make your life easier. With its lightning-fast setup and easy installation, you can have a more organized closet in no time. Overall, the Raleigh Hanger Premium Closet Organizer is a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their closet organization system, and its popularity among customers is a testament to its effectiveness. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.